Hello everyone, my name is Rex Balboa. I'd like to take a moment to present my class project, Comic Connection. I travel a fair bit in my professional life. In creating an application for class, I wanted to merge my professional need with a personal interest using the unique properties available to me via a mobile device. This led me to create Comic Connection, or rather this mock-up of how I see it coming together after the courses cover all of the topics needed to create the actual application. Simply put, Comic Connection connects fans with information about comics, comic shops, and other comic aficionados. Connecting to the Comic Vine API, Comic Connection can pull information on thousands of characters and comic books going back to 1894. Typing in a comic name or a character name, for example, Spider-Man, will retrieve a record of that character from the website. Returning, I can type in another character name, somebody a little bit more obscure perhaps, and get another record. As I thought more about what I could do on a mobile application, I wanted to extend the functionality of my application to be more than just something that would look up information on the internet. I chose two tags. Comic shops have an individual personality unique to the storefront. Exploring new shops has provided hours of interesting diversions for me while traveling. So using the Google Maps API, I'm able to show comic shops close to where the user is currently. In this case, I'm using downtown Seattle, and I've identified two comic shops, Xanadu Comics and Golden Age Collectibles. Again, building upon the Google API, I would then be able to identify closest routes and directions to such locations. I also wanted to use that idea of being location-based to help me connect with other comic fans that might be in the area. The idea is to connect with Facebook or some other social site, find those people geographically close to me that share an interest, and then provide some connection information while observing their privacy. In this case, clicking Find a Comic Fan Near You reveals to you several of my personal friends who are very, very interested in comic books. The code behind all of this is relatively unremarkable. Instead of looking through the API for Comic Vine, I'm actually loading two locally stored HTML elements. My fan list is a locally stored custom adapter to have pictures with the name stored next to them. If there's anything that's interesting is my Find Comic Shop activity, which uses Google API 1.0 to display the map and build upon the map points that are placed upon it. However, this API has now been retired, and I'm going to have to learn a whole new series. That's my presentation of Comic Connection in a nutshell. Hope you enjoyed it. If there's any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.